boat over and duck.
I don't want my shoes to get wet. Whoa. Is it a spinning elevator turntable?
Has to be.
Oh!
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa. Dog rides.
Oh my god, MACK product. They need some music here.
Exactly. Oh, it looks like a cannibal sort of deal where it just opens up.
Or is it O'Farnon? Oh no.
I already regret it.
I need a hood. That's fine.
That's cool though. Wow. It looks so rough at the bottom.
It's a MACK product going to a MACK product. Look. Dueling MACK product. Oh no. Oh, good. I need to wait till you get closer, like, stop.
What to start up again?
I thought it was people that were gonna, like, spray us. Thank God. Is that the whole ride? Wow. Do you think all the budget went into the tower and they were just like, we're done? Oh, here comes the next one. Wow. Pretty cool.
So cool, I like it.
Oh yeah, that's 2 trains for sure.
Or should I just reach my hand in the water now and just splash you?
No, definitely not.
What's this?
Oh, and Jaws is at the end.
The steaming is like next level. You think so? Come on. This like needs to be rethemed around happiness. Like Tomorrowland, this. You can put trees right here to the left and like I told you, like trippy flowers and stuff, like
Trippy flowers?
oh, there's more.
What are trippy flowers?
Oh, the sun is shining. I need to get some photos.
Yeah. Let's ride to happiness
Oh
now.
man, I can take this off
with
now.
the sunlight.
Is this the smallest MACK SuperSplash? Oh no. Could be. Oh, yeah. It's so rough at the bottom.
I mean, if this is a credit and Dudley Do-Right isn't, how are they different?
Not. Yeah, this is a credit.
Dudley Do-Right counted now.
Dudley Do-Right's like the same drop, kind of.
That MACK,
Transfers
that
onto
water
MACK
coaster
track.
that we rode 2 days ago at that one place, me and Bradley.
What is Chop Us?
Deal.
What?
Chop Us is the credit?
Yeah, I guess you're right. No, it's not.
Jeremy said he'd rather ride Shy Outfits than